And action. Hello, Ed B here, W4EMB. We are going to do some dates. Pencil and paper ready. All right. We're going to make this one a bit of a quiz, though. What I'm going to do, I'm not just going to send you the dates right up front. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send you the events that took place. So number your paper 1 through 5, and I'm going to send events, and I'll send them twice. Then I'll send 5 dates. So at the end, you can take your events and your dates, and you can do that thing, when you're a kid, when you have like, this is a hat, this is the broom, you take the word to the picture. So you can take the event to the date and see if you can match them up. All right, here we go. Deep breath as always right before you start to send or copy. Here are the events. Event number 1. And I turn on the oscillator, don't I? Number 1. Here's that second word again. Okay, so the whole thing again. All right, second event. Three words, second time, here it comes. There we go. You get that one, don't you? All right. Third event. It's okay to send mistakes. We need to hear them. We need to hear mistakes. Third event. Third event again, and it's 4 words. All right. Number 4, not technically the name of the event, but just copy this. 4 words. Again. Threw in a question mark on that last time. All right, here is the fifth event that took place. 8 words. 8 words. And one last time. All right, that was our 5 events. Now, here comes the dates on these, okay? Let me do the dates. All right, I need something to put a check mark next to it. All right, here is our first date, and I will be sending the dates in this format. The day, numerically, the name of the month I will spell out, and then the year numerically, okay? So day, month, year. First date, here it comes. Okay, again. Month. Year. All right, so that was one of the events. Okay, next event. Here comes the day. Month. Year. Again. All right, that was the second. All right, here comes a third date. The day. Month. year. Again. All right. Next date, day, month, year. Again. Let me say that year again. There we go. All right. Got to leave the mistakes in. All right, and next, our final date. Day. Month. The year. Again. Here comes that year again. Here comes that year again. And hopefully one more time. All right, I think I did it. I hope. All right, so pause the video here if you want to go back and replay. Okay, for those of you that stayed around, here are those events. Prohibition ends. Boston Tea Party. Washington crosses the Delaware. Next one, number 4. What hath God wrought? And number 5, the Star-Spangled Banner became the national anthem. The dates, I don't remember what order I sent them. So 3 December 1933. And that was Prohibition. 16 December 1773. That was the Tea Party. 25 December 1776. That was Washington crosses the Delaware. 24 May 1844. What hath God wrought? That was when the first Morse code transmission was made from the Senate to Boston by Morse to Vail. And then 3 March 1931, the Star-Spangled Banner became the national anthem. I forgot to say spoiler alert. All right. Anyway, drop some comments. How was that? Was that a decent exercise? Numerically, alphabetically, some dates. How was the speed? Any comments below? Also, thank you very much to my Buy Me a Coffee supporters for my channel. You make things possible for me, and I sure appreciate it. And thank you as always. And thank you for my viewers. Please give me a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up if you're here. And also, I find that on my analytics it says like, hey, your 40-minute video has an average watch duration of 14 seconds. If you're not watching the whole thing, that's okay. Just let me know. Make them shorter. Thanks, team. We'll see you next time. I'm Ed, WD4EMB.